Welcome to Lecture 14, Chapter 2 in Conceptual Physics. So, calculate the instant speed of an apple that falls freely from a rest position and accelerates at 10 meters per second squared for 1.5 seconds. Okay, with this problem, we want to use the equation, the final velocity equals the initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Okay, and the apple falls from a rest position and accelerates at 10 meters per second squared for 1.5 seconds. Okay, and to simplify the problem, we're just going to solve for the final velocity. So the initial velocity cancels, and the final velocity is 10 times 1.5. Okay? And you simply multiply. 10 times 1.5 is 15. So the velocity is 15 meters per second. And it falls freely, so we can say that the initial velocity is negative 15 meters per second because the apple falls in the downward direction. Next, an object is dropped from rest and falls freely after 6 seconds. Calculate the instant speed, the average speed, and the distance fallen. Again, you want to use the equation. The final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Okay? And the object falls from rest after 6 seconds, and it's a free fall problem, so the acceleration is due to gravity. Okay, gravity is 9.8 and I rounded to 10. So now 10 times 6 is 60. So the object falls at 60 meters per second. Next, the problem wants the average speed. So you're going to use the average, which is the initial velocity plus the final velocity over 2. So if it falls from rest, so it will be 0 plus 60 over 2. And you simply divide. 2 goes into 60 30 times. So the average speed is 30 meters per second. Next, the problem wants the distance fallen. So you're going to use the equation distance equals velocity times time. And you're going to use, for velocity, you're going to use the average velocity. So the distance equals 30 times 6. And you simply multiply. 30 times 6 is 180. So the distance is 180 meters.